A really big update for YouTube ads just rolled out very recently. So you can now optimize for whatever conversions you want to at the campaign level. In the past, you were pretty limited. You couldn't really have different campaigns optimized for different conversion actions, but now you can, which brings YouTube and Google Ads up to par with Facebook. This had been rolled out to search and display earlier, but it has very recently been rolled out to YouTube. Now, what are the implications of this? What this means is that you are basically going to be able to choose which conversions to optimize for, and this is really useful for accounts with multiple offers, multiple funnels, or maybe you're, let's say, on the front end optimizing for a lead magnet, while on the back end you're optimizing for a $50 sale. So because of this, this is a really powerful tool. Now keep in mind this just rolled out, so we're still testing it. We need to see how this works in real life. The initial tests have been mixed. We've seen, we haven't really seen it affect performance that much in the campaigns we did test it on, but we want to show you how to do this so you can do this for yourself in the future. Now I'm going to show you my screen to show you how we actually do this. So we're actually on the campaign level right here, and if we go to settings, all right, we're in the settings right now, and you go down to additional settings, and then you go to selective optimization, and then you can actually choose the conversion actions. So we can actually choose if you want to optimize for a certain webinar registration, if you want to optimize for a purchase, if you want to optimize for whatever it is we want to optimize for. So this is very useful. Now keep in mind you can basically also in this conversions column right here, or the conversion setting in tools and settings, you can basically choose to basically either include in conversions or not. So if there is a conversion you're never going to optimize for, if you don't include it in here, it won't optimize. However, if you don't select which conversions you're going to optimize for on a campaign level, it will optimize for everything in here that says yes. If you want to not optimize for something overall, then you can put it as basically click on here, and you'll go into this setting right here, and you'll be able to choose what you basically, if you want to optimize for it or not. So give it a second. You go to edit settings, and then bam. So what this does is no campaigns will optimize for this, right? So there are two settings over here, right? The first one is obviously over here. So this basically allows you to say, as a blanket rule, these are the conversions that you'll optimize for by default. And then the other is what I just showed you on the campaign level, where you can choose which of these you want to optimize for. So there are two levels. You can choose what to optimize for in Google Ads now. Prior, it was only this level, so you couldn't have different campaigns optimized for different things. So hopefully that was useful and that provides some value to you. And yeah, let me know if you have any questions about this. And yeah, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to get better at YouTube advertising, then please check out my YouTube ads course. I've put a link to it below where you can check out what's in it. And yeah, just comment and subscribe if you like this content so I can keep creating.
Walk with our feet on the ground, and we will talk with our head in the clouds, and we will walk with our feet on the ground, and we will talk with our head in the clouds.